Why do so many men over 30 feel stuck, like you're moving but you're not going anywhere? Not broken. I think it's just your system's outdated. It's not age and it's not weakness. It's not even a lack of motivation. It's accumulated pressure with any reset involved. Jobs, bills, expectations, regret. No man outruns that forever. So the first trap, mental clutter. There's too many inputs, not enough clarity. Second trap is lack of structure. You're reacting, you're not leading. Trap 3, identity theft. For years, you've been the provider, the worker, the fixer, but not the man with a mission. So here's a quick strategy, just to break free using a 3-step reset. Number 1, daily anchor, non-negotiable habit. Morning reset. You need a ritual that removes mental clutter, not add tasks. And micro goals. Stop aiming for the massive life change. Build direction one small step at a time. Here's a couple of things that you can do tonight. Close that out before you go to bed. Write down 3 wins of the day. Take the phone out of the bedroom. You're not stuck because you failed. You're stuck because you've outgrown that version of you that got you here. And now it's time to rebuild. And if you want structure to get your discipline and direction back, download a Reset Guide and join the SKOOL community. Both are free and the link is in the first line of that description. Be strong.